satellite navigation. Come on in, Tyler. So, the other day, I've been driving the Nissan in the Nissan Navara. Oh, it's cold outside. Let's get as my everyday transport recently, and it all went. It must be a curse. The infotainment system came up, and I took a picture of it because I'm sad like that, and it said update available, and I thought, oh no, I'm in some software update of doom. But unlike the Defender, the Navara does not have software over the air, as I believe. There is no SIM card thing. So anyway, I did some Googling. What I had to do to fix it, by the way, so if you ever get this problem, and the picture I'll put on the screen, it had this sort of countdown. It said I'm restarting in 30, 20, 10, and just recycle, but it kept coming up with the same sort of, it was in a circle of doom. So I stopped at a garage, disconnected the battery, reconnected the battery, and it's been fine since. So, but I was Googling it and no one really seemed to have the same issue as me. It's just a me thing apparently, but I'm sure someone will. So if that is your problem, try restarting. But then I did get distracted and I thought, well, maybe I'll update the software. There's clearly an ability to update. And I thought, well, let's put some new sat-nav maps on it, because this is a 2016 truck. Oh no, leave me alone. Who is it? Weird. Someone's really weird phone call, but we'll digress. Someone stalked me, I think. But right, so I looked on eBay, and you can get map discs for your Nissan. Now, this is the Nissan Navara, but I think it's the same Nissan Connect system on other Nissans, like Nissan Qashqais and the like. So I looked at Nissan, but Nissan wanted £100 for the latest disc, but someone on eBay, this was weird, I told you this, Tyler, someone on eBay, he wrote to me and said, I need your address, it hasn't come through, because I put the work address on my eBay account. And I said, oh, it's powerful UK limit. He says, I bought stuff for my Range Rover off you. So he's like, oh, you're the guy on the video. So there you go. So I said, well, I'm doing the video with I've just bought this memory card, this SD card. And apparently it's going to go in here somewhere, Tyler. We haven't even looked at it. SD, I think it is SD. Oh, Tyler's wrecked it already. I think he's jumping ahead. So apparently I can put this in. I've not done it. There's very little instructions, but I think we put it in, and there's an option in the menu somewhere where it says update disk. You fire this in, and it's going to update. And I said, look, are you all right putting your details on YouTube? And he said, yeah, fill your boots. It's all kosher. It's all correct on that. So there you go. So that's what you get. You get an SD card with the maps on. Does it say what map date they are or whatever? But there you go. And they get navigation card specialists. So there you go. Thank you. Mercy, look, multilingual. Look, he's got his website there. Should we promote him? There you go. Right, so tac, I don't know, TikTok, tic-tac, it's all the same. Right, so let's start this old Nissan up. Oh, we're rocking.
Copyright music.
Let's demonetize this one. Right, so there's apparently, I should look at this. Let's have a look. Let's have a look in setup. So there's an update option. What do you reckon? Have we got a system? I honestly haven't practiced this. If I find it, Tyler's better at stuff. Software versions, software licenses. What are you thinking? Software version. Right, we found nothing to help us on our journey here, so we're going to go it alone. But we have found out where there's some interesting things. So we go satellite setup, navigation, and then if you go right to the bottom of this, map information data. So this is what we're on at the moment. Now this car's 2016. I was looking for like a 16, like a date code in here, but certainly we're on version 11 and it looks like it's SD2. So I'm going to see what happens if we just put this in, and will it notice and detect and sort of self-update. Alright, let's have a go, shall we, Tyler? So do we think there's nothing in there already, do we? Oh, there is something in there, is there? Ah, so can I use this one to push that one? There you go. Alright, so let's have a look. Right, so it's got, now can you see a version 11?
000.
Okay, so there we go. So can we see the version 11 on there or anything? Not really a lot to see, so that's the old one. So we'll put this new one in. There you go. Whoop. I'm going to have to use the card to push it in. Right, that's it. Software update before data carrier can be used. Current version, so we'll go for an update then. Alright, software update progress. This is kind of cool because it came up with that error message the other day that was telling me it wasn't happy with something. But let's see if this works. We can speed it up, but if you can see what time it is because we've got the time going in the background. There you go, right, so it's flashed off. It's booting up again. Should have cleaned the screen before we did this. No telephone device connected.
That's it.
Right, let's have a connecting to phone. It's having a go. I think it's got my phone. I'm on U02. Seems to all be there. Call list redial. Yeah, turn those blowers down. We're warming up. Right. See if it'll go setup, navigation, map data information. Well, I've gone from version 11 to version 4. I'm guessing that's updated it. Obviously this H.A or something might be different, but that seems to be it. We're going to try and you can see if they got those new houses over the back.
I was thinking that. So that's, oh god, actually.
Which way round is it?
Lakeside.
The business park. They've got the business park on there.
Right
Well, what
there.
about the Mallards? Let's go down the Mallards. Yeah, they've got all the new houses there. They got the new houses. They're quite new. Yeah. They weren't built in 2016.
There's also new houses over here, isn't
Yeah, they haven't got those, but they're not even built yet, Tyler.
there? Oh, that's a good point. Although
so-
we know someone that lives in them.
Right, so there we go. That is how to update, and apparently we've done a software update and a map update there. So there we go. Hopefully we've got no more crashing, and we got the latest edition maps, which is cool. Good luck with that.